Brooks DNA, the first smart cushioning technology that adapts to each individual runner's biomechanical needs. This innovative system instantaneously adjusts to provide the perfect balance between cushioning and stability for each foot strike. Man or woman, fast or slow, small or large, Brooks DNA truly offers a perfect ride for every stride.
Brooks DNA is actually a highly viscous non-Newtonian fluid that's been engineered at the molecular level to work like millions of miniature nanosprings. Because the chemical formulation was developed to work in concert with the Biomogo midsole materials, Brooks DNA actually provides adaptable cushioning along with enhanced energy return. A non-Newtonian liquid actually is a liquid that doesn't obey the normal laws of physics. Let me demonstrate with an extreme example of a non-Newtonian fluid, a mixture of cornstarch and water. Note how this material adapts to the different forces that are applied to it. When I touch it softly, it flows from my hand just like a liquid. But watch what happens when I hit it with a lot of force. Here's another example. This person can actually run on the liquid as it firms up upon impact. But with no force, they simply sink. This is an extreme example of a non-Newtonian liquid, but Brooks DNA also reacts in a similar way. Brooks DNA is made up of a group of polymer strands or individual molecules linked up in chains. When they encounter small forces, they can actually move easily against each other. But look what happens when they apply abrupt force. The reaction to changing forces yields improved performance both at low energy and high energy. This gives the runner soft comfort when they want it and firm support when they need it. Truly, the perfect ride for every stride.
Brooks DNA, your personal cushioning system.